Hey guys, it's me JC here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get an airplane tutorial. So first thing that you want to do is get a tinted moisturizer. I just did that with my thing, so I just did that. So I'm not going to show you guys it because I just did it. But anyways, I used the Elf foundation brush. I don't know if I'm holding that backwards. If I am, I'm sorry. So it's kind of just, how do you call it? Just to set the foundation, I'm just going to take this. I think this is a Clinique, yeah. So this is a Clinique powder, and it's in shade Light. So I'm just going to open that, and it has like this powder thing, but I don't really use that. Yeah, I do. So sorry, I'm like blowing it, but I'm gonna put it there. So I got like that much. Or even if you don't have a tinted moisturizer, you can just put on moisturizer. Just regular moisturizer. This is like a big puff, whatever thing. Sorry, I'm like going down here. If you guys like this lighting better, I hope so. What the heck is that? Oh, that must be like the moisturizer. Sorry, okay. So, I think that's good. So, just close your thing, whatever. Oh, I'm putting it backwards. But anyways, just close that up. I'm not really going to do blush. Not really, I'm good with that, like, stuff. So anyways, I'm going to be using this, this from Claire's Cosmetics, and it's all of these eyeshadows, and the first color I'm going to be using is this, this color right down here, that light shaded color, right there. So I'm going to take just a brush and sorry, I'm trying to find the brush because I don't have any glasses. So I'm going to just use that for the thing, whatever. So take some and just put it, I'm only going to do one eye, so I'm just going to put it looks kind of messy. Or if you like to, I think I'm going to do my finger. But anyways. And you can like, I recommend using this finger. So I'm just going to do this eye. So then take a brown color. So I'm going to take this one right here, and there's like no names for it, so I can't name it, so sorry about that if you guys like the color or something. So just take it and then just put it on your crease. Sorry, not to. I'm gonna ask my mom for a mirror. Mom, can you get me a mirror? I'm recording.
Yes.
Just kind of go all the way in.
Where?
So put it like that. Hope you guys can do that, but yeah. So then you should just take I'm like blind. But anyways, yeah. So sorry, I have like a mirror there that my mom just bought. It's my mirror. Okay, so then you want to take a dark kind of color. So I'm going to take this brown over here, the very top one right there. Sorry if you guys can't see the colors, but anyways, take like this nice dark brown and put it right. I'm going to do it over here, so hold on. I'm just going to close this for a second. So you want to kind of do the crease again, but not all the way. So. You don't want to go all the way. Like you can go on the crease, but just don't go all the way. So then you should take like this kind of brush and take like a nice shimmery white color and just put it kind of in the middle of your, like right where your pupil is if you look straight. So it kind of gives you, I'm just going to do my finger again because it's kind of hard. So, like that, I don't think you guys can see it, but anyway, so like that, then what you want to do is you could just take a blush or something. Like if you want a blush, then go ahead, but I'm not going to use a blush today. And then you can take a lip balm. This is actually lip butter, but still it's moisturizing. Sorry. No, I'm gonna do it that way. Mom, sorry. Can you? Sorry, it's just, this is so hard. Can you open this? It's like, this is like super hard, no joke. And the eyeshadow's like this, and it's like for airplane, it's very light, and yeah. Can you open this? And then, and also if you don't like to use, bring a blush on board, you could take this, put it on your powder brush or whatever your brush, and put on your cheeks. But I'm just going to use my lips today. This is a really, really tinted color, and wanted to buy a red one, but I don't have time. So anyway, so this is the eye look, like just this side. And if you like to, you can also take another wipe, but I'm not going to do it. Highlight I'll do it for you. Just for you guys. Oh, right here, I can use this one. So, like this kind of brush, I'm just going to take a white color, just a white. Highlight your brow bone. And then you can highlight your inner corners. Now if you like to, you can also take a blending brush and edge out the hard edges. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I know it was a long video, but anyways, thank you guys for watching, and bye.